Hollywood Farmers Market every Sunday, rain or shine. Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Good.
A brick is over there.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Did I say it already?
No. Actually, you didn't. Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Good
More
to be back.
blessings.
Yes, more blessings for sure. All right.
I just had a bunch of daisy pomegranates. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Did a mix of this. Is that okay?
That's okay. It's all the same price.
All right, cool.
Also, right there.
Yeah.
Also same price.
Same price? Okay, got it. This is also a good one right here. Look at this turmeric. Excuse me. What are these?
That's fresh turmeric.
Fresh turmeric.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Next week, is it possible to pick up some raisins next Sunday?
You want to pick up?
Yeah, I'll pick up. It's just easier. I mean, you don't have to drive there, right? I'm here like almost every Sunday, so it's a win-win.
A long time though.
I know.
Haven't seen you in a while.
I know. I've been a little busy, so
At work.
yeah.
You ride a bike?
Huh?
You ride a motorcycle?
Motorcycle? Oh no, it's just to record like my trip to farmers market. Yeah. I'm gonna pick up our food. My favorite vendor, Tsunagi Grill. Sorry, I'm just recording if you don't mind.
Sure.
Look at that. It's my favorite vendor right here.
Arigato
Saba.
gozaimasu and isobeyaki.
Nice.
And, are you okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Today,
Yes.
but
Thank you. So excited for this.
When you start doing tamago
All right. Now we gotta figure out what we're gonna eat. Usually I'll just set up. So I'll go behind here and set up shop here. starting to rain. That's it. Time to bail. Of course, I didn't bring any hat or any headgear. Christ. Guess what I found? My hat. Alright, let's go. Chainsaw. Let's go. Hello. Morning. Now it's time for the fun part. Driving in this rain, LA drive.